Use for the transportation of perishable products in an environment with controlled temperature. Randon makes two models available: palleter for palletized loads, hook palleter for palletized or hung loads. Keep the set bracket and close to the load. Check the internal temperature by starting the thermometer. Check if the temperature is in accordance with the load. Attention! Operate the refrigeration device according to its manual. Turn off the refrigeration device. Open the door. Unlock the door handle. Press the trigger and pull the door handle. Open the door. Place it on the coupling on the side of the product. Proceed to loading. It is done with a forklift. It is done manually, where the hook is held by the rod. Attention! Do not obstruct the air duct while loading. This will affect the flow of the cooled air. Close the doors and make sure that they are properly sealed and locked. Turn the refrigeration device on. Keep the set bracket and close it to the load. Turn off the refrigeration device. Open the door. Go through the unloading. Do the cleaning of the load box. For more information regarding the operation, preparation for the loading, cleaning, disinfection, operation of optional accessories and maintenance of the equipment, check the owner's manual.